Guy Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Our attention is spacious. We enumerate the vehicles in an even row. We bring our own minds together on the vehicle of perfection. We may be anybody. Anything is possible. In the empowerment of our thinking, nothing is certain. In reality, we are everybody, while we are not any one at all. When we settle into our true natures, without seeking any essence, then in the way things appear we are happy. When we settle in like an unmoving elephant, we use an immersion into the three kinds of spontaneous realization. We melt into the dominion of the clear space of wisdom. The spontaneous perfection that we do not seek is an experience of bliss. We have been spontaneously perfect from the primordial. This is great bliss. Our true natures are perfected without any contrivance. This is why we settle naturally, without seeking anything. And so we understand. According to the ideas of many of the families about the doors that are everywhere in motion, in which unstopping awareness is perfect in its dominion, our non-duality is clear, so we have no obstacles. We are beyond all extremes and middles. This is the way that it is. Self-originating wisdom is a space that is perfect. We abide within the special quality of a single circle. As for the essence of the bodhicitta, it is not to be visualized. We cut through the movements in our thoughts. We abide within a contemplation in which we settle ourselves. If we do not turn away from our common cravings, our self-luminous awareness may encompass everything. But our habitual patterns are the essence of our obstructions. Without seeing, we are wandering through samsara. We perfect the heart essence of our wisdom within ourselves. We exemplify it with the word of the Vajra secret. We find certainty. Our intellects settle into themselves. We cut through the filth that is our craving.